This is a fit for a 2013 through 2018 Toyota Rav4 with factory installed raised side rails. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Rhino-Rack Vortex SX base roof rack system. The system is using the Vortex load bars in black, 50 inches in length, the SX 100 legs which clamp to the raised rails. It is secured using the secure core end caps. Crossbar spacing is 27.5 inches from front to rear, center to center. Maximum weight carrying capacity is 165 pounds, evenly distributed. There is no interference with the full operation of the sunroof when equipped. This product and the full line of Rhino-Rack products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please visit our site for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.